Hello, 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 hello. How are you, everyone? So, finally, you discussed all questions, all memory based questions of physics and all memory based questions of chemistry of 30th January shift 2. So, yes, 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 yes. So, can you tell me how were, right? How was your exam? How was your exam? Yes, 30th January shift 2. Yes, I can see here Dhruv Gamers. I can see here Shavini, Abhay. Okay. Okay. Then here on another channel, I can see Ayush. I can see here Bad Gamers FF YouTube, Neat Aspirants. Okay. So, yes, 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 yes. So, shall we start now? Shall we start mathematics? Everyone, please give me some response. Just let me check whether this streaming is going well on all the channels or not. Just let me check once. Okay. It is going good on 2 channels. Let me check for another 3. Okay. So it is well on third as well. Meanwhile, you tell me how was your math section? How many of you attempted 30th January shift 2? And how was your math section? Then I'll tell you my analysis. Before telling my analysis, I want to hear from you that how was your math session, everyone? Okay, so this is fine across all the platform. This is going good. Just let me check final platform and we will begin quick. Okay, okay, only in one platform there is some. Okay. It is also fine now. Great, 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 great. It is good across all the platforms now. Yes. So funny gamer is watching me on last platform, right? Okay. Great, 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 great. Okay. So let us start now. Whatever doubts you are facing, you can ask me. So yes, hi Kishore. Yes, hi Sujal. Shall we start? Okay. Ah, okay. I think Bad Gamers was having this morning shift. Sir, when is MSET crash course? Okay. Exactly now we are discussing about only JEE. Right. So I cannot tell you anything about MSET. For that, just you stay tuned with respective channel. Okay. Great, 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 great. Shall we begin? Shall we begin? Okay, okay. Let us start now. Now see, if I tell you about my analysis, this was the easiest shift till now. Yes, 30th January shift to mathematics. I am repeating again, 30th January shift to mathematics was the easiest across all the shift till now. Yes, this is from my analysis. It varies from student to student. We will see. So now let us start mathematics. Memory based questions, we are having around 25 questions. We will solve all the questions, right? If you see today's session, that is 31st January shift 1, it is hardest till now. Yes, 31st January shift 1 is hardest till now, students. It's very hard, I can say, right? And particularly it involves very lengthy questions. But 30th January shift 2 is easy. Even 30th January shift 1, 30th January shift 1 was little bit difficult. Yes, as compared to 30th January shift 2. Yes, Atul game on good. Okay. Okay, Dhruv gamers, Atul gamers, don't discuss among yourselves, discuss here. Now, can you see this first question on screen, student? This first question is of probability. This is from reverse probability or beggar's method, I can say. See, a bag A contains 7 white balls and 3 red balls. They are talking about bag A, which contains 7 white balls and 3 red balls. Hope this is clear to you. Bag B contains 3 white balls and 2 red balls. Correct. So total balls amongst both these bags will become 7 plus 3 10. 3 plus 2 will become 5. Hope this is clear to you. This is just analysis of data. Now, a ball is chosen randomly and found to be red. You guys are choosing one ball at random and you are finding that ball is red. Okay. Find the probability that it was taken from bag A. So you already know that this is red. Now you need to find the probability that it was from bag B. So this is nothing. It is taken from bag A. Sorry. So red and it was taken from bag A. So this is nothing but your question of reverse probability. Hope this is clear to you. Yes. Avni, Nishu, right? Neat aspirant, or particularly I can say because neat aspirant is giving answer of this. Okay, funny gamers. Now see, the probability of given R is nothing but probability of A intersection R upon probability of R. So you need to find total probability of R first. How can you find total probability of R? First, you need to find partial probabilities, right? So first, if you are choosing any bag at random, that is bag A or bag B, the probability of choosing bag A and probability of choosing bag B both will become half. This is your first case. Now from bag A, if you are choosing red ball, then probability of choosing red ball from bag A will become, in bag A you are having total 10 balls. From this 10 balls, probability of or uh, favorable outcomes for red balls are 3. So that will become 3 by 10. Similarly, from bag B, if you are choosing red ball, so that will become 2 by 5. Now from here, if you guys find probability of R intersection A, that is nothing but product of these two, which is half into 3 by 10, which can be written as 3 by 20, and probability of R intersection B, this will be 1 half into 2 by 5, right? Because this 1 half will be multiplied with 2 by 5, which can be written as 2 by 10, or you can write this as 4 by 20, whatever is comfortable. Even you can write 1 by 5. Now we want to find probability of R. Probability of R is nothing but summation of both of them. The probability of R will be 3 by 20 plus 2 by 10, which will be 4 by 20. I can say 4 plus 3, 7 by 20 will give you probability of red ball. So now you are having all probabilities. Just substitute over here. Probability of red ball is 7 by 20, and in numerator probability of A intersection R is 3 by 20. If you simplify, your final answer will become 3 by 7. Hope this is clear to you, students. You can tell me yes if you agree. Can we move towards next question, please? Is this clear, students? Right? Yes, Abhay, Shivani, Dhruv, right? Abhay, Shivani, Dhruv. Hope this is clear to you, everyone. Right? Now, let me check other students as well. So here I am having Avni, Chauhan, Abhay, Kishore, right? Shavini, I can say Sujal. Hope this is clear to you. Please giving me some response. On here I am having Girish. Yes, Girish. You are doing hello, hello, hello. Yes, Taketi Lavanya, you are asking half. Half is nothing but its probability. Right? Great, 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 great. On another channel here, Gauri Kulkarni. Hope you are getting my point. Okay, okay. Can we move towards next question, please? Can we move towards next question? And here, funny gamer is nothing but quiet only. Okay, okay, okay. So let us move towards next question. Great. Right. Now, how many of you got this correct? Now, see, this is also very easy question. Question from 3D geometry. See, or vector algebra. Given mod vector B is 2, modulus of vector B cross A equal to 2, then find modulus of vector B cross A minus vector B whole square. So how can you find this? Just you need to apply formula of vector A minus vector B whole square or vector B minus vector Q whole square. Girish, getting my point? Shavini, please concentrate over here. So can I say, students, this will become magnitude of vector B cross vector A whole square minus 2 times vector B cross vector A dot vector B plus modulus of vector B whole square. Now, how many of you tell me that what will be value of vector B cross vector A dot vector B? Please give me some response. Have you studied scalar triple product of vectors? From there also you can tell me. If you have don't study, then also you can tell me. That tell me vector B cross A is perpendicular to vector A and vector B both or not. So vector B cross A is perpendicular to vector B. Since vector B cross A is perpendicular to vector B, this will become 0 or not. Since it is 0, you can substitute remaining values. This is 2 square plus 2 square. So 4 plus 4 will give you 8. When I asked this question to students, many students told me that, sir, by mistakenly we wrote 0. How many of you did that mistake? Right. Those students have written this minus over here, 4 minus 4, 0. I hope none of you guys there did that mistake. Right. Shavini, Girish Ganesh, right. Here. Hope you are getting my point. Right. Can we move towards next question, please? Yes, 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 yes. Sir, what is percentile for 100 marks? Patnala Krishna Mohan is asking. Percentile for 100 marks for on an average, I can say you are going to get nearby 90 percentile. Okay. Even nearby you are going to get 90 percentile. Okay. Okay. Ayush BVR is replying. Yes. Sir, today is coordinate PYQ session. Okay. No, no, no. Here we are discussing about this part only. Okay. Can we move towards next question, please? Right. Great, 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 great. Yes. Hello, Girish. Okay. Bye, Avni. Now see. This is also very nice question. Lengthy question, I can say. This is lengthy question. Check. Here, they have given you one function ln 2x plus 3 upon 4x square minus x minus 3. Second function as cos inverse 2x plus 1 upon x plus 2. And if domain of f of x is closed interval alpha to open interval beta, then find 5 alpha minus 4 beta. If you want to find this, first let us find domain of both of that. Yes, right. Striker boy, this is not science 2 class, right? Just focus over here, and when it will be that I am not the correct person to answer it, you can check community post. Just you can see over here. So for this function, 2x plus 3 upon 4x square minus x minus 3 should be greater than 0 or not, because we can find log of positive value only. Now 4x square minus x minus 3, can I factorize it? Let me factorize it separately, or I can factorize it on another page as well. So 4x square minus x minus 3, students. So 4 3s are 12. You need to factorize 12 such that difference of their factors will give you 1. So those are nothing but 4 and 3 only. Minus 4 plus 3. So this will become 4x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 3. So if you take 4x common, this is x minus 1 plus 3 x minus 1. So if you simplify, you can, if you take x minus 1 common, this is 4x plus. So in denominator, we are going to have x minus 1, 4x plus 3. And if I want to write in terms of wavy curve method, so this will become 2 times x plus 3 by 2, right? Minus of minus 3 by 2 you can write, but let me write like this. Here in denominator, I am having factors x minus 1, x plus 4 by 3. So 4 I can take common, x minus 1, x plus 4 by 3 is positive. Hope this is clear to you. Please give me some response, right? I hope this is 4 by 3 only. No, 3 by 4, x plus 3 by 4. So if I apply here wavy curve method, and if I try to find the correct region, so one root is 1, another is minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 4. Here you are getting suppose minus 3 by 4. So here somewhere you are going to get minus 3 by 2. Please give me some response. Right? Yes, 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 yes. Okay. No, Manu, it is not easy, right? This question is little bit lengthier. Easy but lengthier. Now see, if you apply wavy curve method, all are having odd powers only. You can go like this. Since you want positive sign, you need to move towards like this only. Okay. So from here, you are going to have 1 to infinity or minus 3 by 2 to minus 3 by 4. These two regions we are getting for this first part. Now let us try to find proper region for second part. So for second part, this 2x plus 1 upon x plus 2. This should lie between minus 1 to 1. Then and then only we can say we can define cos inverse for it. So if 2x plus 1 upon x plus 2 is lying between minus 1 to 1, so let me take this into two parts. So very first part I'll take that 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2 greater than or equal to minus 1. 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2 greater than or equal to minus 1, and 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2 less than or equal to 1. 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2 less than or equal to 1. So if I simplify, 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2 plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So 2x minus 1 plus x plus 2 upon x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So 2x plus x, 3x plus 2 minus 1, that is plus 1 upon x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Hope this is clear to you. So here also we can apply, yes, wavy curve method. I think students from one channel are not focusing over here, just they are communicating with themselves. Just they are communicating among themselves. Students, please focus over here. So from here you are going to get x equal to minus 2. From here you are going to get x equal to minus 1 by 3. Check, because this is 3x plus 1. So this is minus 1 by 3, right? Even it will come before minus 1 only. And since it is greater than or equal to 0 and both are having odd powers, somewhat like this we are going to get. So you are going to have this region and this region where minus 2 is excluded and minus 1 by 3 is included, since minus 1 by 3 is critical point for numerator. Now, if I check for another part that will give me 2x minus 1 upon x plus 2 minus 1 less than or equal to 0. If I simplify this, that will become 2x minus 1 minus x minus 2 upon x plus 2 less than or equal to 0. Is this clear, students? Yes. Is this clear? Avni, Manhu, Krishna Mohan, right? Yes. Shri Maithili. Yes. Hi, Shri Maithili. Right. And here at one channel, students are not here, I guess. Okay. Right. Okay. Now, let us simplify this further. So, this will become 2x minus x will give you x minus 3 upon x plus 2 less than or equal to 0. So, here if we factorize that, so we are going to have one critical point as 3, another critical point as minus 2. And since we want its negative part, so we are going to have minus 2 to 3 this region, minus 2 to 3 in which minus 2 is excluded and 3 is included. Since I need to follow both of it, let me find first its intersection. So minus 2 to 3. So if I substitute this over here, here I am having minus 2. Somewhere here I am having 3. Please give me some response. So if I find point of intersection for this two, I am going to have minus 1 by 3, 2, 3, close interval, right? Minus 1 by 3, 2, 3, because this is going to, I'm going to have minus 1 by 3, 2, 3. If I take over here, minus 1 by 3, 2, 3, close interval. From here, I'm having minus 3 by 2 to minus 3 by 4 and 1 to infinity. So very first, you can have here 1, 1 to infinity. Now here minus 3 by 2 to minus 3 by 4. I think there is some mistake. Minus 1 by 3 is minus 0.33. This is minus 0.05. This is minus 3 by 4. Right? Because this is minus 0.75 and this is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 to minus. Okay, I think there is some mistake. Earlier when I solved, I got minus 1 to 1. But I hope this process is clear to you. 2x plus 1 upon x plus 2 is lying between minus 1 to 1. So 2x plus 1. And here I took minus 1. Yes, that is the mistake. 2x plus 1 upon x plus 2. So 2x plus 1. This is plus 1, students. So if this is plus 1, you are going to get answer accordingly. So this is plus 1, 2x plus x, 3x plus 3. So here we are going to change our region because this will become 3x plus 3. Hope it is clear to you. Similarly, here it is 2x plus 1 minus x minus 2. So 2x minus x, x plus 1 minus 2 will give you minus 1. This will become minus 1. So let us change region over here as well. And accordingly, we are going to change part over here. Okay. Now see, so small, little steps are very much important, right? Yes, Dhruv. Yes, Sri Maithili, everyone check over here. So from here, I am going to have, see, x is equal to minus 1, check please. And here x is equal to minus 2. This is minus 1 and minus 2. I need to take this positive part. So I need to take it from minus 1 towards infinity and minus infinity towards minus 2, where minus 2 is not included, but minus 1 is included. Hope this is clear to you. Similarly, from here, if I take, so critical points will be 1 and minus 2. This is 1 and this is minus 2, same only. But for negative, I need to take this region where minus 2 is excluded and 1 is included. So if I find their point of intersection, if I take from minus 2 to 1 over here, this is minus 2 to 1. So their point of intersection will give me minus 1 to 1. So minus 1 to 1 is common region over here. So if I take minus 1 to 1 as close interval from that side to this side, minus 1 to 1, check please. So here I am having minus 3 by 2 to minus 3 by 4 and 1 to infinity. So for 1 to infinity, there is no common part, but for here minus 3 by 4, suppose this is 0. So somewhere here you are going to get minus 3 by 4 as open, and minus 3 by 2 somewhere here you are going to get as open. So these are open. So if you find point for common region, that will be close interval minus 1 to open interval minus 3 by 4. Hope this is clear to you. Is this clear? Sujal, is this clear? Yes, Tushar Kaushik, welcome. Yes, Sangeeta Sagar, hi. Right. Yes, Maithili, right. Is this clear, everyone? Yes. No, Nitu. Gujset batch is available in Gujarati language only. Gujset batch is not available in English language, right? As of now. Now, okay. Hope this is clear to you. So close interval -1 to open interval -3/4. Now compare this with alpha and beta and try to find value of 5 alpha minus 4 beta. So 5 alpha will be -5 minus 4 beta is nothing but -3/4. 4 will get cancelled out plus 3. So -5 plus 3 will give you -2 as final answer. Hope this is clear to you. Can we move to the next question, please? So how many of you got this correct? I told you that this is lengthy. If you are going to solve lengthy question, then also you are going to get 4 marks. And for easy and short question, you are going to solve 4 marks. You are going to get 4 marks. So selection of question plays very vital role over here. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Yes, Dhruv, MCQ session will start tomorrow as well. Okay. Okay, Tushar Kaushik. Okay, Sangeeta. Fine, fine, fine. Okay, Maithili. Okay, let us start. Let us move to our next question. Now, this is question of your AP and GP, right? Or particularly I can say sequence and series. So this also you can solve very easily. See what is given to you over here. Now, yes, Dhruv, I told you, right? Tomorrow also this discussion will be there. The first term of two GPs are equal. They are talking about two GPs. Suppose this is GP1, GP2. I'll go a little bit faster. First term are same, A are same. So definitely common ratios will be different. Suppose this first GP is having common ratio as R and second GP is having common ratio as R dash. Now, third term of first GP is equal to fifth term of second GP. So its third term is same as its fifth term. Let us write this fifth term as T5 dash. So T3 equal to T5 dash. T3 is nothing but AR to the power 3 minus 1, that is AR square. And this is AR to the power 5 minus 1, which is AR to the power 4. But for here, R is R dash. So this is R dash to the power 4. Is this clear, everyone? Check, please. Right. So since it is clear to you, now just you can establish relationship between R square and R dash square, R dash to the power 4. So if you take square root on both sides, so R dash square will be equal to R. Correct? R will be R dash square, because see, this is square, then this should be positive only, but R can be negative as well. R can be positive, negative as well. It is not necessary that R is positive. So for that, I'll take here plus or minus. If R is negative, then minus R will make it positive. If R is positive, then plus R is already here. Now, next, if 11 term of first GP, its 11 term is same as pth term of second GP. So here TP dash is equal to T11. Now TP dash is equal to A. R dash to the power P minus 1 is equal to A. R to the power 11 minus 1. A will get cancelled out. If I want to find value of P, I need to convert this R in terms of R dash. Now, or recently we learned that this is the relationship between them, that R is nothing but plus or minus R dash square. So that I can substitute over here. This is R to the power 10. So this will become R dash square, or plus or minus R dash square to the power 10, which will become R dash to the power 20. So at both of the places I can equate powers, which will give me ultimate answer of P as 21. Hope this is clear to you. Can we move to the next question, please? P equal to 21. How many of you got this correct? See, this question is shorter. This question is lengthy. Not lengthy. Previous question was lengthy, right? So identification of question is important. This is going to differentiate toppers and average for JEE, right? Yes. Okay. So Tushar Kaushik, is this clear? Yes. Okay. Altansh, I hope it is clear, right? Great, 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 great. Shweta Manjunath. Okay, let us move to our next question. Now see, this is also very nice question. Find number of real solution of the equation. Now if you see, if you observe solution from different institutes, different persons have given different answers for this. Yes, because it depends on how you are solving it. Let me show you how. So first, this is x into this. When we can say product of two terms can become 0, if either one is 0, x equal to 0, or both are 0. The very first solution from real plane, you can get this as x is equal to 0. Plus 5 times mod x minus 1 minus 6 times mod x minus 2 equal to 0. You need to be patient while solving this type of question, students. So x equal to 0 is one of the solution. Right? This is one solution. We need to find number of solutions over here. The very first solution you can have is x equal to 0. Now, for next solutions, you need to remove this mode x minus 1, mode x minus 2. So again, you need to take here different cases. To take different cases, you can see over here, all these modes are going to change at points 0, 1, and 2. So same concept of the wavy curve method you can apply over here. How? If you are taking extreme right positive, then all modulus will become positive only. If all modulus are positive, then here your equation will become x square plus x plus 5x minus 5 minus 6x plus 12 equal to 0, which will give you plus x 5x plus 6x minus 6x will get cancelled out. X square plus 7 equal to 0, which is going to give you x square equal to minus 7, which is not possible. No real number is possible for which you can have x square equal to minus 7. So here you are going to have none of the solution. Hope this is clear to you. Similarly, if you are taking x in this region, that is region from 1 to 2, so here now x minus 2 will become negative, remaining terms will become positive because x is greater than 1. So this equation will become x square plus 5x minus 5. This will become minus 6 times 2 minus x, which will give you minus 12 plus 6x. So plus 6x minus 12 equal to 0. Hope this is clear to you, everyone. So here if you see, this will become x square, 6 plus 5, 7 plus 1, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 1, 12x minus 17 is equal to 0. We are going to have x square plus 12x minus 17 equal to 0 over here. Is it clear, students? Check. Now, if you are having this, then just you need to check whether you are going to get its factors or its roots between 1 to 2 or not. Right? That you can determine. How you can determine that you are going to get its root between 1 or 2 or not? First, you find discriminant because we can't find factors of 17 such that its difference will give you 12. So we can't going to find like that. So first, if you find its discriminant, this is b square minus 4ac. Anyhow, this discriminant will be positive only. If root is lying between 1 to 2, then f of 1 and f of 2 should have same sign. Right? If you find f of 1 from here, so 1 plus 12 minus 17 will give you minus 4. So it is having negative sign. Right? Next. Here, if you check for f of 2, then 2 square 4, 12 twos are 24 minus 17. This is going to have positive sign. If here you are having negative sign and here you are having positive sign, what does that mean? This curve x square plus 12x minus 17 is something like this because its discriminant is positive. Here you are going to have x-axis. So it is positive if at 2 and it is negative at 1. So definitely this is the possible case. Please give me some response. Because at 1 you are going to have negative value and at 2 you are going to have positive value. So that means one root is lying between 1 and 2. Here you are going to have one root. See how I found this without finding root. I got that one root is lying in this area without solving it. Is this clear? This is called how to solve JEE questions. Okay. Yes, Kavya, congratulations. Yes, Kavya is getting 189 plus. Okay, okay. Yes, JEE aspirant definitely will achieve your aim. Okay. Hi, Yashika. Okay, can we move towards next question or next part particularly? Everyone, right? Hope this is clear to you. Is this clear? Right. So even if you want, you can find this from home that 144, 7 fours are 17 fours are 68. You can add 68 in 144. You can find its square root and minus b plus or minus blah blah. You can follow. Now, so from 0 to 1, if you check, so only this term will become positive. All other remaining terms will become negative. So this will be x square plus x. Now this will give you, instead of 5x minus 5, this will give you minus 5x plus 5. Minus 5x plus 5, and that term will give you as it is, that is minus 12 plus 6x minus 12 plus 6x equal to 0. So here if you check, 6 plus 1 7 minus 5 2x, 5 minus 12 minus 7 equal to 0. We can't find factors of 7 such that its difference can give us 2. So again, if you find here delta b square minus 4ac, that will become positive only. Just you check at 0. At 0, you are going to have negative value. At 1, 1 plus 2, 3 minus 1, again you are going to have negative value. When can we have this negative value? If curve is like this, right? So it is not having root inside 0 and 1. It is not having root inside 0 and 1. So here no roots, right? Now your final part is left. Hope you are getting my point, students. Please give me some response, right? I'm showing you the shortcuts. So if you are moving for x less than 0, so here if you check, this will be, all terms will become negative. So x square minus x, this is minus 5x plus 5, and this is plus 6x minus 12 equal to 0. So here this will get cancelled out. X square minus 7 equal to 0, x square equal to 7, x equal to plus or minus root 7, and from this plus or minus root 7, we need to also follow that x is less than 0. So since x is less than 0, we are going to have x equal to minus root 7 only. So we are going to have three roots. This is one root, this is another root, and this is third root. So how many roots we can have here for this? How many solutions we can have? So we can have total 3 solutions. Hope this is clear to you. Right? Is this clear, everyone? Great, Abhay. Yes, JEE aspirant. Yes, Sujal. Yes, Altarth. Yes, Yashika. Can we move towards next question, please? Okay. Okay. Great, 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 great. You guys are doing great. Great, great, great. Let us move towards next question. Now, see over here, a very nice question of integration. See, f of x is given to you as a e to the power 2x plus b e to the power x plus cx. F of 0 is given to you as minus 1. F dash ln 2 is given to you as 21. Integration 0 to ln 4 f of x minus u of x is 39 by 2. From these conditions, you need to find modulus of a plus b plus c. Let us try to find. The very first condition is f of 0 equal to minus 1. So if I substitute this f of 0 equal to minus 1 in f of x, so this will become, understand this, what will become, what you can have over here? You can have f of 0 is equal to a e to the power 0 1 plus b e to the power 0 1 plus c times 0, and f of 0 is minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to a plus b. This is one condition between a and b. Right? Yes. Clear, Abhay? Now, if you want to use f dash ln 2 equal to 21, so first let us find f dash x. So if I find f dash x, then f dash x will become a differentiation of e to the power 2x, that is e to the power 2x into 2. Differentiation of e to the power x, that is e to the power x only. Differentiation of cx, that will give you c. Differentiation of x will give you 1. Now from f dash x, if I find f dash ln 2, so f dash ln 2 is equal to 2a e to the power 2 times ln 2 plus b e to the power ln 2 plus c. So if I simplify further, this will become ln 2 square, e ln will get cancelled out, that will become 4. 4 to the 8a plus 2b plus c, and f dash ln 2 is given to you as 21. So this is relationship between all these three variables. Let us move towards third relationship, which is given to you in form of integration. So if I substitute all things over here, so f of x is a e to the power 2x plus b to the power x plus cx. So f of x minus cx, if I take this cx towards left hand side, so f of x minus cx will become a e to the power 2x plus b to the power x dx. See what they want you to do in this question. In this question, they want you to do differentiation. In this question, they want you to do integration for the same function and to play with these three conditions. Hope you are getting my point. So difference integration of a e to the power 2x will become a e to the power 2x upon 2 plus b e to the power x only. If I substitute limits from 0 to ln 4, its answer is 39 by 2. So if I simplify further, if I substitute ln 4 and if I substitute 0, so this will be a by 2. Now e to the power 2 times ln 4 plus b e to the power ln 4 minus e to the power 0 will give you 1. So that I'm going to have as a by 2 plus b e to the power 0 will give me 1 as 39 by 2. So if I simplify further, e to the power, now this is 2 ln 4 square. 4 square is 16. So 16 times a by 2 minus 1 a by 2, 16 minus 1, this will be 15 times a by 2. This is 4b minus b, that is 3b is equal to 39 by 2. So if I simplify further, here I can have 15a plus 3 2s are 6b. Check please. I'm taking LCM. 15a plus 6b by 2 equal to 39 by 2, which is equal to 39. Right? Even I can take 3 common from here. So after taking 3 common, this will become 5a plus 2b is equal to 13. Hope this is clear to you, right? Abhay, JEE aspirant, Yashika. Okay, yes, Avni. Okay, great, great, great. Now see over here. From first equation, that is a plus b equal to -1, we can play over here. Let me multiply with 2. So 2a plus 2b is equal to -2. So a plus b equal to -1. So 2a plus 2b equal to -2. A plus b -1. 2a plus 2b equal to -2. So if I subtract over here, this is -2a minus 2b plus 2. This will get cancelled out. This is 3a. 13 plus 2 will give you 15. So a will give you 5. Once you are getting a as 5, then you can get value of b from a plus b equal to -1. If a plus b equal to -1, then b equal to -1 minus a, that is minus. Once you are having value of a and b, you can get value of c from the third equation. What was your third equation? 8a plus 2b plus c equal to 21. 8a plus 2b plus c equal to 21. Hope this you can do this from homework. Check, because this is easy only. Shall I leave it to you from homework? Yes, BVL gamers, right? Okay. JEE aspirant. Okay. Right. Yashika. Now. So 8 5s are 40 plus 2 times -6 plus c equal to 21. So 40 minus 12 plus c equal to 21. 40 minus 12 students will give you 28, I guess. Check. 28 plus c equal to 21. So c will be -7. 21 minus. So now you can find value of mod a plus b plus c. The final answer. So mod a plus b plus c equal to, since a is 5 over here, b is -6 and c is -7. So this is going to give you 5 minus x -1 -8, and its mode will give you +8. Is this clear, students? Can we move to our next question? All right. Great. Abhay, Avni, pay attention over here, right? This is social media, right? We can't say that there might be girl only in the name of Avni, or there might be boy in the name of Abhay. Okay. So, yes, pay attention over here, because here you are to learn this thing. Yes, JEE aspirant. Okay, Altaf. Yes, Yashika. Okay, great. Let us move to our next question. Hope this is clear to you. Is this clear, everyone? Right. Just with calm mind you can do, and you are going to solve it. Now, let us discuss about next question. This question, you can do this easily without using concepts of AOD. Yes. So here one function is given to you. Yes, hi love. Function is x minus 2 whole square, x minus 3 whole cube. X is belonging to 1 to 4, and capital M and small m denotes maximum and minimum values of this function. Then what will be capital M minus small m? There is one way to find capital M and small m by differentiation, by using first derivative test, second derivative test. But here you can find this without using those tests as well. Right. Now how? Let me show you. You know that if your function is given to you as x minus 2 whole square, x minus 3 whole cube, then you can apply wavy curve method to find its sign. Yes or no? So at least first we can find sign of the function in different intervals. Here critical points will be 2 and 3, and our function is lying from 1 to 4. If I think of wavy curve method from this area 2 to 3, at right hand side it should be positive, extremely positive, and for 3 it is having odd power, so it is going to change its sign. For 2 it is having even power, so it is going to lie in this sign only. Now here it is but obvious that maximum value we are going to get at f of 4 only. For minimum value we need to identify value of f of 1 and f of 2.5. Please give me some response. We need to check between these two. So if I check for f of 4 first, see over here. So here f of 4 will be 4 minus 2, that is 2 square, 4 minus 3, that is 1 cube, that is 4 only. So f of 4 is maximum value. Let us check f of 1. So f of 1 will be 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 square, that is 1. 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 cube, that will give you minus 8. So this is minus 8. Okay. Now let us check for f of 2.5, students. If I substitute f of 2.5, 2.5 minus 2, that is 0.5. 0.5 square is 1 by 4 because 1 half square. 2.5 minus 3 is nothing but again 0.5 but in negative, that is minus half, and its cube will give you minus 1 by 8. So this is minus 1 by 32, which is having less value than this because minus 8 is having bigger value in terms of its magnitude as compared to 1 by 32. So here maximum value will be capital 4 and small m will be minus 8. See, without using concept of AOD, we can solve this. Okay. Dharti, here we are discussing about JEE only. Hello Dharti, hello Janvi. Right, so now we are discussing about JEE Mains paper discussion of 30th January shift 2. Hi Nikhil, right. Hi Govinda Rashu. Hi Education with Vaibhav. Hi Kalpesh Bhai Mehta. Okay, hello everyone. Hi Vasu. Yes, this is how we are taking maximum value. Yes, Abhay, again hello. So now you can get easily value of capital M minus small m as 4 minus minus 8. 8 plus 4 will give you 12. So this is your final answer, 12. Hope this is clear to you. Is this clear, students? Can we move to the next question? Great. Very nice question or not? Very nice question. Please give me some response. Love, Nikhil, yes. Vasu, Yashika. Okay, great, 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 great. Let us check on our 5th channel whether students are asking or not. Okay. Yes. Hi, Aditya. Yes. Okay. Now, let us move. Yes. Hello, sir. I am Abhyan Gujarati student, class 11th. Please respond me. Yes, Asha Prajapati. I am responding to you. I am responding to each and everyone. Hi, Kalpesh Bhai Mehta again. Now, see. Okay. This function is given to, this is very nice question. This is my personal favorite because this question is including one concept where students are, what I can say, rolling like up and down, up and down. The students are getting the sub, how to find value of A. We can get value of B, but we are not getting value of A. So let me show you that, right? Yes, welcome Tirth, right? Ravalya Tirth came, Tirth was active in our exemplar session as well. You want to ask your JE question, means you want to ask any doubt, you can ask in batch as well, Tirth. Okay, now see over here. So we need to evaluate minus 2 to 2 f of x dx. So if I divide it from minus 2 to 2, I need to divide it from minus 2 to 1 and 1 to 2. But I cannot find value of this until and unless I am having values of A and B. And for that, they given one thing that they are giving one thing that f of x is differentiable for all x belongs to R. If f of x is differentiable for all x belongs to R, then with the help of that concept, let us try to find value of A and B. Yes. No, Asha, I can't speak because this is live streaming across 5 channels. Yes. Hi, Sujal. Hi, Sujal. How are you? Sujal is telling hi. Okay. Love Joshi, I'm responding you from beginning only. Yes. Hi, Ram Krishna. Hi, Kiran. Hi, Vasu. Okay. Now see here, students. So what we are having, yes, hi, Janvi. So this, if f of x is differentiable for all x belongs to R, so it should be differentiable for 1 as well. So I can write f dash 1 minus is equal to f dash 1 plus, right? Now f dash 1 minus, that is if I differentiate it for x less than or equal to 1, this will be 3 to the 6x plus 2, differential of x is 1 and differential of a is 0. This is at x equal to 1. Now f dash 1 plus this is going to be b, differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of 2 is 0. So if I substitute 1 over here, 6 plus 2, 8 is equal to b. So I can have value of b as 8 over here. Hope this is clear to you. Now once I am getting value of b as 8, how can I get value of a? That is unique part for this question. To get value of a, you should be having one more condition, which is not given here. But if we are brave enough, if we are clever enough to understand that if all functions or all differentiable functions are continuous in nature or not, if all functions, if any function is differentiable for all x belongs to R, I can say it is continuous for all x belongs to R as well. If it is continuous, then I can say that f of 1 minus is equal to f of 1 plus, which is equal to f of 1. Please, students, getting my point, right? So now f of 1 minus, that will be 3 plus 2 plus a is equal to b plus 2, where you are knowing now value of b as 8. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus a equal to 8 plus 2, which is 10. The value of a will be 10 minus 5, which is nothing but 5. So now you are having both values of a and b. If you are having values of a and b, then you can find this integration easily. Now to find this integration, or finding this integration, is child's play for you now. Right, only this was the critical part. That's it. Okay, so I'm giving you this part from homework because this is only child's play, right? Because here just you need to do bx square by 2, 3x cube by 3 plus 2x square by 2 plus ax, and you need to substitute upper limit and lower limit. That's it. Yes, Dhangar. Sorry, Dhangar Janvi. Hope you are getting my point. Yes, sir, we have exam on 1st Feb. Yes, Viral, this session will be helpful to you. If you are having exam on 1st Feb, definitely it will be helpful to you. Okay, now, can we move to our next question, please? Kalpesh Bhai Mehta, right? Kiran, yes. Tirth. Tirth is asking, sir, 5 factorial upon 5 factorial to the power 4 factorial is belongs to n. Tirth is asking 5 factorial upon 5 factorial to the power 4 factorial. This you are asking, right? Right? Tirth, whether this belongs to n or not. Right? 5 factorial upon 5 factorial to the power 4 factorial. Now see here, Tirth, 5 factorial is nothing but 120 beta. This is 120 to the power 24. So this is nothing but 120 to the power 1 minus 24, that is minus 23. Or this is 1 upon 120 to the power 23. So this does not belong to n. Never. It is not possible. Understood? Right? This is not going to be your natural number. Okay. Great, 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 great. Now let us move to our next question. This is also a very nice question from vector algebra. See, just simple, with the help of simple little question, you can proceed here. Yes. Okay. Ravalya Tirth is telling, sir, 5 factorial factorial. Okay. So that means you are having 120 factorial in numerator, right? And in denominator, you are having 5 factorial to the power 4 factorial, which is 120 to the power 24, right? Now see, so here just you need to understand whether you can divide this numerator with denominator or not. In denominator, you are having 24 terms. All terms are 120, 120, 120 only, right? This is you are having 24 times. In numerator, you are having 120 factorial, or you can do one thing over here. You can find this by using exponents of prime in 120 factorial. That means, see, first you need to factorize this 120. I'm just giving you this hint. Actually, in paper discussion, we are not supposed to take extra question, but for you only, I'm telling you. Okay. So for 120, just you need to prime factorize it. So 2 into 60, then 4 into 15, then 3 into 5, right? So this will be 2 cube into 3 into 5. Okay. Now this is having 24. So this will become 2 to the power 24 3s are 72, 3 to the power 24, 5 to the power 24. Now what you need to find? You can use that formula which I taught you guys in marathon. Exponent of 2 in 120 factorial, exponent of 3 in 120 factorial, and exponent of 5 in 120 factorial. If all these exponents are greater than respectively 72, 24, and 24, then you can say this is natural number. If they are not greater than, then this is not natural number. Hope this is clear to you. Please give me some response. Okay. I think there are so many students now over here. So Tirth, you got my point? Okay. So here I am having one bio student. Hi, Anjay Tiwari. Okay. Thank you. Hi, Hindu boy. Okay. Hi, Shailesh. Okay. Can we move towards our question now? Right. So Tirth, hope this is clear to you. Tirth, are you here? Okay. In participants side. Sir, this question is taken from JEE Mains 27 shift 2. Okay. You can see that analysis as well. Right. What I'm telling you, got it or not? Please give me some response. Right, whatever I told you here, hope you are getting my point, right? Check, please. Okay. Okay. Great, 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 great. So you can see analysis of that paper as well. Now, see over here, students, let us come to this question quick. So vector A is given to you, mod vector B square is given to you, angle between AB is pi by 4 and vector A dot B equal to 3. If you start solving from vector A dot B equal to 3, vector A dot B can be written as magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B, cos pi by 4 is equal to 3 or not. Right. What is magnitude of vector A? Magnitude of vector A will be square root 1 square plus alpha square plus beta square. Check please. Magnitude of vector B will be root 6. Cos pi by 4 will be 1 upon root 2, which is 3. So if we simplify further, this will give you root 3. 3 by root 3 will give you root 3. This is value of square root 1 plus alpha square plus beta square. So value of alpha square plus beta square will become 3 minus 1, that is 2. So firstly, you are going to get value of alpha square plus beta square. So I hope this is clear to you. Right. Now, what you need to find, check, you need to find alpha square plus beta square into modulus of vector A cross vector B whole square. Now we can substitute all these values over here, right? Yes. Now, the 12th in Pragati batch 2025 will come. Yes, it will come, right? Uh, okay. Yes, yes, Hindu boy, we will teach even only one student is also online or not, right? Alpha square plus beta square into. Now this one, modulus of vector A cross vector B. So modulus of vector A square, modulus of vector B square, sine square pi by 4. So this will become, now alpha square plus beta square is nothing but 2. Now modulus of vector A square, that is nothing but 1 plus alpha square plus beta square. So 1 plus 2. Modulus of vector B square is 6. Sine pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2, which will give you half. 2 plus 1, 3. 6 3 is 18. 18 is your final answer. Okay, can we move towards next question? Hope you guys are getting my point. How many of you got this correct? Right. So this is your 18. Okay, great, 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 great. Okay, okay, Avnur said. Right. Now, let us see for next question. A vector has magnitude. See, this is very silly question, I can say. I think by mistakenly this question came in maths. This question should be in physics. See, a vector has a magnitude equal to that of vector 3i plus 4j. Suppose this vector is vector A. So its magnitude is nothing but 5 unit or not. Because square root 3 square plus 4 square. Pythagorean triplet. Yes, for 150 you are going to have uh, again depending on paper to paper, you are going to have around 90 to 93 percentile. Okay, so Deep Goswami, if you are getting 150, you are going to have around 90 to 93 percentile. Okay, so if modulus vector A is 5, now you need to find, and it acts along a vector, find the x component of this vector. So suppose this vector is vector B, 4i plus 3j. So for this vector also modulus vector B is 5 or not? Right, they want you to find a vector C which is in the direction of B cap and having magnitude as vector A, right, which is 5, and both magnitude are same only. 5 times B cap is nothing but vector B only, and its x component will give you 4 answer, right? So this can't be a JEE mathematics question, frankly speaking, right? You might be kidding me, right? Okay, so Hitendra Bhai Rathod, it may come in yeah, the soft launching of that batch can be happen in Feb and regular batches can start from May June month. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Hi Rishabh. Hi Panchi. Okay. Can we move to the next question, please? Can we move to the next question? Right here also I am seeing another student, Sujal, Funny Gamers. Yes, Johan Abhay. Okay, this is a very silly question. Okay. Now, this is important question because students are underestimating this type of questions, right? But if you will try to find it clearly, you are going to get it. If y minus 2 whole square equal to x minus 1 and x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0, two curves are given to you, then find the area bounded by the curves between the coordinate axis in first quadrant, right? Between the coordinate axis in first quadrant. So for that, can you see this x-axis, y-axis and origin? Right. Now see over here what we are having over here. Y minus 2 whole square equal to x minus 1. So for x equal to 1, y equal to 2. Right. Here we can have one parabola y square equal to 4x, something like that. Right. If you substitute y equal to 0, x will become 2 square plus 1, which is going to give you 5. For this line x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0, if you substitute y equal to 0, x will become minus 4. So somewhere around here, it will intersect minus 4 comma 0. If you substitute y equal to 0, x will become minus 4. If you substitute x equal to 0, y will become 2. It is going to pass through this only. And if you try to find their common point of intersection, so for that, if you try to substitute this x is equal to 2y minus 4 over here, so y minus 2 whole square is equal to 2y minus 4 minus 1, which is y square minus 2 to the 4y plus 4 is equal to 2y minus 5. So this will give you y square minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0, which is nothing but y minus 3 whole square equal to 0. If y minus 3 whole square equal to 0, that means y equal to 3 only. Hope this is clear to you. If y equal to 3, so for that particular y, 3 to the 6 minus 6 plus 4 minus 2, x will become 2. And since it is becoming perfect square, you are going to have only one point of intersection. And one point of intersection means this is going to become tangent at this parabola. And this point of intersection is here somewhere, 2 comma 3, because this is 1 comma 2, this is 2 comma 3. Hope this is clear to you. Please give me some response. So you need to find area between these two curves, which is lying in first quadrant. So that area is something like this. So that area you can find by two ways. That area is equal to area 1 plus area 2. First area is lying here, right, because this is intersecting y-axis at 2. So for first area, you can take from y-axis, this is the area. Right. So for that, you can have I1 is equal to integration 0 to 2. This, you can make x as subject of the equation. So it will be 1 plus y minus 2 whole square, y minus 2 whole square plus 1 d. Is this clear, please? Give me some response. Similarly, here you can have I2, which is area bounded between these two curves, right? That is till 3. So from this curve minus this curve. So here, this you can get by applying I2 is equal to integration 2 to 3. Okay. Now for 2 to 3, this curve is same as y minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus from this curve, if you make x as subject, then it will give you 2y minus 4. 2y, right? Now rest game is child's play only. You can easily integrate y minus 2 whole square cube by 3, 1 y by y only cube by 3. And first you can simplify over here. So minus 2y, that will give you y square, plus 1 plus 4, that will give you plus 5, and that will give you 5y. Just upper limit and lower limit. Is this clear? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, Hitendra is asking, sir, JEE, modules for JEE for class 12th, when will come? See, in English medium, they are already available. For Gujarati medium, it is going to take process. Okay? Okay, Hitendra Bhai Rathod, is this clear? Yes, yes, yes. Sir, how much mark needed in this paper for 99 percentile? About 260, 270, right? Because mathematics was easy. Okay. So here you are going to have about this. Yes, M. Vishwarandan. Yes. Yes, you are having one doubt. Please ask. Yes, Shreyas Silvant. Hello, hello, hello. Yes. Okay. Can we move towards next question? Yes, Ronak Prajapati. Very well done. Great. Do we have other students here as well? Great. Yes, Samarth Ahuja. Hi, Samarth Ahuja. Okay. Now, can you see this question, please? Can you see this question on screen? See, what is given to you in this question? Consider an AP which having these terms 3, 7, 11, 15. That Sn denotes the sum of first n terms. If 40 is less than 6 by n plus 1 sigma k equal to 1 to n sk less than 42, then determine value of n. This is also easy question, right? This is also easy. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Hitendra Bhai Rathod, it is going to take a lot of time, right? it is going to take a lot of time to translate all those modules in Gujarati. So as of now, if possible, read from English medium material. Okay. Okay, nice Aditya, nice, nice. It is good to hear that your JEE went well. Very nice, Aditya. Okay, now see here, everyone. So for this AP, can you tell me what is first term? First term is 3. What is common difference? Common difference is 4. Are you guys clear with first term and common difference, please? So if you guys are clear with first term and common difference, we need to find sum of n terms and Sn. So if I apply this for Sk, that will be n by 2, that is k by 2, 2a, 2 times 3, plus n minus 1, that is k minus 1 into d. D is nothing but 4. So if I multiply here, this will become k by 2, 3 2s are 6, plus 4k minus 4. 6 minus 4 will give you 2. So this is k by 2, 2 plus 4k. If I divide this with 2, that will become k, 1 plus 2k, or simply it will become 2k square plus k. This is nothing but sum of k terms. Hope this is clear to you first. Actually, now if you are having now Sk, from there you can get Sn or sigma k equal to 1 to n Sk. So now sigma k equal to 1 to n Sk is equal to sigma k equal to 1 to n 2k square plus k. So that will give you 2 times. Now sigma k square is nothing but n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6 plus sigma k will give you n plus 1 by 2, n plus 1. Hope this is clear to you. Here you can write 2 3s are 6. From here you can take n into n plus 1 common. So that will become 2n plus 1 by 3 plus half. Right. And outside you are having 6 upon n times n plus 1. So if you multiply this part over here, so n by n plus 1, n by n plus 1 will get cancelled out. Right. If I use another color, then you are going to have a little bit more idea. This n plus 1 will get cancelled out. Now if I multiply this 6 inside, so this will become 3 2s are 6, 2 times 2n plus 1 plus 6 by 2, that is 3. Upper limit is 40 to lower limit is 40. Now 2 2s are will give you 4n plus 2, 2 plus 3, 5. So 4n plus 5 is going to lie between 40 to 42. If I subtract 5 from everywhere, this will become 35, this will become 4n, and this will become 37. If 4n is lying between 35 to 37, then definitely 4n should be 36 only. Only one value is possible, and that value is 9. N is equal to 9. I told you this is easy question, right? Just you can go step by step and you can get the answer. Sometimes by looking at the question, you can assume that the question is difficult or the question is going to be lengthy. This type of questions are called reverse Pushpa questions. Yes. Yes, Vishwavardhan, Shreyash, is this clear? Yes, KK videos. Okay. Yes, Hitendra Singh Rathod, that the process is going on, but it is going to take a lot of time. Okay. Now, can we move towards next question, please? Can we move towards next question? Right. Great, 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 great. Now see over here. Now, a question paper has, understand this question from permutation and combination. A question paper has 3 sections A, B, C having 8, 6 and 4 questions respectively. If the students has to answer 15 questions, understand this carefully. Section A, B and C. A is having 8 questions, B is having 6 questions and C is having 4 questions. So total questions are 18. Total questions are 18. From these 18 questions, if the student has to answer 15 questions only, what is the condition? The student has to answer 15 questions only, right? So that means students has to attempt 15 questions only. He has to leave 3 questions. Attempting at least 4 from each section. That means in each case that student has to attempt 4 questions from each section. So 4, 4, 4 should always come, right? That means 12 questions he need to attempt anyhow. Okay. So find the number of ways the paper can be answered by the student, right? So initially you can use here beggars method, but when can we use beggars method? If all the elements are identical. If all the questions are identical, is it possible that in examination you are getting all questions same? So you can't use beggars method over here. One of the student was asking me, sir, can't we use beggars method? I said, no, Baba, you can't use beggars method over here. Is this clear? Hope you are getting my point, students. Please give me some response. Right. So first you need to identify different cases. For that, you can use that method. Suppose if you have to take 4, 4, 4, so now remaining elements are 3 only. And for those remaining elements 3, here your budget is 0. Here your budget is 2. Here your budget is 4. Getting my point? Please give me some response. So first let us discuss about budget. So here you can't take any element. If here you are having 2 elements, so here there are possibilities that you can take 0 element from here, 1 element or 2 element. Please give me some response. Because total budget is 3. So if you are taking 0 from here, you need to take all 3 from here. This is anyhow 0. If you are taking 1 from here, you need to take 2 from here. If you are taking 2 from here, you need to take 1 from here. Yes, that is the last possibility. Right. So these are 1, 2, 3, 3 possible ways we are getting. Right. And that thing, if you combine with 15, this 12 plus 3, 15. So here 4 plus 3, total you are getting 7. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 1, 5. From here 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. And from here you are getting 4, 4, 4 always. So total elements are becoming 15, 15, 15 always. Check please. Is this clear, everyone? Please give me some response. All right. So here you guys are having 7 plus 4 plus 4. Check. 6 plus 5 plus 4. 5 plus 6 plus 4. That's it. And if you want to find total number of elements, then so first case here, for first case, we are going to have 8C7, then 6C4, then 4C4. Anyhow, see, last will be 4C4 only. 4C4 is nothing but 1. So you need to multiply this two only. So 8C7 is same as 8C1 and this is same as 6C2. So this is 8 into 15. 15 8s are 120. So here you are going to have 120 as answer. For next case, it is 8C6 which will give you 8C2 and this is 6C5 which will give you 6C1. So 6C1 is 6 in nature, 8C2, 8 7s are 56 by 2, 28. 28 into 6, 8 6 are 48. 4 will be carry forward, 6 2s are 12 plus 4 16, 160. Right? Similarly, you can solve end one also or not. Please give me some response. This is 8C5 and 6C6. 6C6 is 1 only, 8C5 is 8C3 and 8C3 is 8 into 7 into 6 upon 3 factorial. So 8 7s are 56. So 8 plus 6 14. 14 and 344 will be your final answer. Okay, if it is clear to you, can we move to us next question, please? If 344 is clear to you, can we move to us next question? Great. Yes, yes, yes. Great, 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 great. Yes, sir, for 80 marks for this paper, which percentile we can expect? For this paper, if you are getting 80 marks, then you are about to score 90. No, no, this was easy. So you are going to have around 80 percentile, right? 78 percentile to 82 percentile in between, 78 to 82. Okay, great. Let us move towards next question. See, this is simply calculation based question from statistics. Right, table was given to you xi and fi, and from there you need to find sigma square. You know that formula of variance sigma square is sigma fi xi square upon sigma fi minus x bar square, which is nothing but sigma xi fi upon sigma fi whole square. Please give me some response. Check. Right, so you can find that easily. Right. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Now, so for that, yes, Tahir Alam Vlogs, hi, hi Daria Diary. Okay. Now see over here. So here, if I multiply this all elements, so first I need to multiply fi into xi. So 0 into 3 will become 0. 2, 5 3s are 15, 7 2s are 14. This is 60. This is 36. This is 51. Right. Now, if I take xi square, so those will be 0, 1 square 1, 5 square 25, 7 square 49, 10 square 100, 12 square 144, 17 square 289. Check. fi xi square. Remaining part I am giving to you from homework that you can do from home. 3 into 0, 0. 2 ones are 2. 25 3s are 75. 49 2s are 98. This is 600. 144 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4. 289 into 3. So 9 3s are 27. 8 3s are 24 plus 2 26. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8 860. So just you need to add and you need to substitute. Okay. The remaining part I am giving you from homework. Hope this is clear to you, everyone. Can we move towards next question, please? Easy, getting my point? Yes, here you can use one shortcut. I have shown you that shortcut in marathon that you can use this method question by using assumed mean as well. So if you are going to use here assumed mean, your calculation would become easier. So here you can take any data, any one of this data as A, right? Assumed mean, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose you are taking this 7 as A. So just you need to replace everywhere from xi just di square di, and your answer will become easier. Right? Di is what? Xi minus a. Okay, okay. Yes, yes, Dhruv. This will be today as well as tomorrow. Okay, 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 Jammu. Right? Chalo. Hope everyone is getting my point. Okay, let us move towards next question, please. Now, this is next question. This is also very nice question, but there is one printing error in this question. That error is this is given to as x sine theta. This is not given to in this form. This is given to exactly in this form. X by sine theta is equal to y by sine theta plus 2 pi by 3. As these all are memory based questions, this is z upon sine theta plus 4 pi by 3. Right. This is all what we do it right over. Is this clear, everyone? Please check. X by sine theta equal to y by sine theta plus 2 pi by 3 equal to z by sine theta plus 4 pi by 3. So this is what we can take as k for anything, right? This you can take as initially k. The very first you need to check whether this statement 1 is true or not. A trace of a is nothing but x plus y plus z. So if I try to find this x of x plus y plus z, so that will become k times sine theta plus sine theta plus 2 pi by 3 plus sine theta plus 4 pi by 3. So if you see over here, sine theta, you can this is one identity. You can take this for any value of theta. Suppose if you are taking sine 0, then sine 0 will give you 0. 0 plus 2 pi by 3 is somewhere here. 0 plus 4 pi by 3 is somewhere here because it is 120 degree, it is 240 degree. Right. For here, this is your 180 minus 60. Right. 960 here. This you are going to get as positive. This are going to get as negative. So if you add both of them, this is going to become 0. So everywhere, every time, sum of this 3 is going to become 0, and that you can check only for theta equal to 0, and from there you can identify. So you are going to have trace of a equal to 0, that's for sure. So statement A is correct. If you want to check for statement B, you need to use shortcut for adjoint. Right. Now what is shortcut for this type of adjoint? For diagonal matrix, here your A is x 0 0 0 y 0 0 0 z. From here, if I write adjoint A, just you need to multiply remaining elements of x of this diagonal. So those will become yz. Here you will get xz, and here you are going to have xy. 0 0 0 0 0. Is this clear, students? Please give me some response. This is adjoint A. Similarly, now if you try to find adjoint of adjoint A from here, the adjoint of adjoint A. So for that, again, you need to multiply remaining elements. So for yz, this will become x square yz. Here, for this term, if you multiply remaining element, this will become y square xz. For this, if you multiply remaining element, this will become xyz square. All remaining terms are 0. And for statement 2, if you find trace, this is trace only, right? Trace of adjoint A, whether it is becoming 0 or not, let us check. So if we find trace over here, so trace of adjoint of adjoint A. Just I'm writing this for you again and again in detail. In MCQ, you can do it directly. So if I add all of this, can I take x, y, z common from here? So in first term, I'll be having x, second term y, and third term z. And recently, we proved that x plus y plus z is becoming 0 for given value of x, y, z. So if I substitute that 0, final answer, I'm getting this as 0. Is this clear, everyone? Yes. Yes. Hi, Naveen. Yes. Is this clear? Yes. That is done, Daksh Valu. All those important questions are done in marathon for second term. Already that marathon was finished for second term on last Sunday. Right. So statement 1 and 2 are true. Can we move towards next question, please? Can we move towards next question? Okay. Great, 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 great. Now. Great. Yes. Hello, Ropar. Okay. Let us move towards next question. So this was combination of matrices with trigonometry. Trigonometry is like masala. It can enter into any chapter. Okay. Now, see this question. Consider the system of equation. Here in this system of equation, there are two unknowns. One is lambda and one is mu. They are telling that system has unique solution for lambda equal to 1, for lambda equal to 1, lambda equal to 1. It is having infinite solution, inconsistent or infinite solution, and different values of mu are given to you. So for this type of question, students, don't get afraid. Just see all the options that lambda is given to you 1 as common. Right? In all the options, you can see lambda is given to you as 1. So why can't we substitute lambda equal to 1 and check? So if I check for lambda equal to 1, my determinant will become original determinant 1, 1, 1 here 1, 2, 1 square, that is 1, and 1, 3, 1. Now, do you know shortcut that how we can solve this determinant? Do you know this shortcut? Just to substitute this 1 over here, this 1 over here, this 1 over here, this 1 over here. So just to multiply here. So this is 3 plus 2 plus 1 minus this is 1, 2, and 3. So can I say here this determinant is 0 or not? If original determinant is 0, it is not going to have unique solution. So first, you can cancel out this. For lambda equal to 1, it can't have unique solution. Now just you need to check for infinite solution or for inconsistent. For infinite solution, now there are two options, whether infinite solution or zero solution. For that, you need to check dx, dy, and dz, right? If I check here dx, because we need to check for mu as well. So where this mu will come? Definitely mu will come in x, y, z, all of the. So first, let me check for dx. So this is 1, 1, 1. Now if I take, means this 1, 1, 1 is being replaced by 0, 9 mu. So 0, 9 mu, 0, 9 mu, right? 0, 9 mu. All remaining three are, values are as it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, because we kept lambda as 1 already. Now if I take this 0 here, mu here, this is shortcut, 1 here, 1 here. So now I'm going to have 9 threes are 27 plus 0 plus mu minus 9 ones are 9. This is 2 mu, 9 plus 2 mu plus 0. Right. Now, so if I simplify further, so plus mu minus 27 minus 9 is 18, plus mu minus 2 mu will give you minus mu dx. Now see, if mu is equal to 18, exactly here it should be 18. As per my point of view, this should be 18. See, if mu is equal to 18, then dx will become 0. If dx is becoming 0, then it is going to give you 0 by 0 form. But you need to check similar way for dy. So for dy, in place of this second column, you are going to have 0, 9, mu, and you need to again calculate. So if you are getting all forms as 0 by 0, 0 by 0, 0 by 0, for mu equal to 13, then you are going to have infinite solution. For mu equal to 13, or if any one of this is becoming non-zero for mu equal to 13, then you can have no solution that is inconsistent for mu belongs to R. So if you check for dy, Just let me show you. If you check for dy, so here your first column will remain as it is, which is 1, 1, 1. For second column, here you are having 1, 2, 3, and that is replaced by 0, 9 mu. 0, 9 mu. Third column, which is 1, 1, 1. Because you can see over here, every time you are going to get this only. Right? No. So this is directly becoming 0 or not? dy is 0 for all mu belongs to R. Check please. Because it has nothing to do with this. Right? Dy will become 0. If we check for dz, so here we were having 1, 1, 1. Here we are having 1, 2, 3. Check. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. And here will be replaced like this 0, 9 mu. So it is like same as dx or not? Right? Dx was having 0, 9 mu here. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 1, 1. 0, 9 mu, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1. Just these two got replaced in compared to dx. So that was 18 minus mu. Now you are going to get mu minus 18. So definitely if you are going to substitute mu equal to 18, okay, this should be 18. If you are going to substitute mu equal to 18, all this will become 0 by 0 by 0 by 0. The system can have infinite solution for this. But we can't say that system is inconsistent for mu belongs to R, because for mu equal to 18, it is consistent. For mu belongs to R minus 18, yes, it is inconsistent, right? For R minus 8. Hope this is clear to you. Nice question. Okay. Yes, Ajju welcome, welcome. Yes, hi Rupert, hi Jammu. Yes, Ankush. Okay. Cutoff for JEE Mains for CSE varies, Ankush, for college to college, right? Which college you are targeting? But CSE is going to have very high cutoff for sure. Now, alpha beta belongs to 0 to 3 0 to pi by 2, 3 sine alpha plus beta equal to 2 times sine alpha minus beta. Tan alpha equal to k tan beta, then find the value of k. So this you can do by componendo dividendo easily. So here you can see this sine alpha plus beta upon sine alpha minus beta is equal to 2 by 3. So if I apply componendo dividendo over here, so this will become sine alpha plus beta plus sine alpha minus beta, and in denominator this will be sine alpha plus beta minus sine alpha minus beta, and this will become 2 plus 3 upon 2 minus 3. Now s plus s will become 2sc. So 2 sine alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta, 2 alpha by 2, 2 sine alpha cos beta, s minus s, 2cs, 2 cos alpha sine beta, which is equal to 5 upon minus 1. So if you simplify this, sine alpha by cos alpha will become tan alpha, sine beta by cos beta will become tan beta in denominator. So tan alpha upon tan beta equal to minus 5, or tan alpha equal to minus 5 times tan beta I can write. So by comparison, easily I can write k equal to minus. See, very easy question or not? Selection of questions is important to get success in JEE, particularly in mathematics. Selection of questions is important. Yes, Ronak. Ronak, we are discussing JEE paper of today, not today, yesterday, that is 30th January shift 2 in English medium. Right? Now see over here, they want you to find number of common roots of this equation and this equation. So how you can get this common roots? First, you need to solve easy equation first. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now see here. So first you are having here z cube plus 2z square plus 2z plus 1 equal to 0. If you apply trial and error, you are going to get one option as z equal to minus 1. Check. Because if you substitute z equal to minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, which is going to give you 0. So for z equal to minus 1, you can use synthetic division method to get other roots. This is z cube, z square, z constant term, which are having coefficients as 1, 2, 2, 1. You are substituting z equal to minus 1. You can begin with 0, 1 plus 0, 1. This is minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 1, 1 is a minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 1, 1 is a minus 1, 0. So here you are going to have z plus 1, and here z cube, z square plus z plus 1. Do you know this? Do you know this equation z square plus z plus 1? From z square plus z plus 1, you can have two roots over here. Those two roots are omega comma omega square. Right here, one root you can have, that is z equal to minus 1. There are three roots you are getting for this equation. Now, how many from these three are common to this, that you can check by substituting them one by one. If you substitute minus 1, then minus 1 to the power 1985 will give you minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is not going to become 0. The minus 1 is not uh, root of that equation. If you substitute omega, so omega to the power 1985 plus omega to the power 100 plus 1. So if you see omega to the power 1985, if you divide 1985 by 3, you need to check whatever remainder you are getting. So 3 6 are 18, 18, 3 6 are 18, 5, 3 1s are 5, 3. You are going to get 2 as reminder. This will be same as omega square. For 100, you know that 33 3s are 99. So this will be omega to the power 1. So omega square plus omega plus 1 will become 0. So omega is satisfying another equation as well. Since omega is satisfying another equation, you can check for omega square as well. Right. If you check for omega square, it is also going to satisfy. So your answer will be 2. So correct, right? The trials of omega square I am giving to you from homework. You can check easily. Right. Let us move towards next question. Now, f of x by y is equal to f of x by f of y, where f dash 1 is equal to 2024. F dash 1 here is 2024. Then you need to find all which one of this is true. This is very unique question, unique of the kind, right? And that you need to understand. Okay. Now see. Okay. So here f of x by y is equal to, given to you as f of x by f of y, students. F dash 1 is given to you as 2024. This is f of x by f of y. Okay. Now see, if you want to utilize this concept of f dash 1, or from all the options you want to utilize concept of f dash x, first we can't do a differentiation directly. For that, if you use f dash x, or this differentiation from definition point of view, so this f dash x will become limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x upon h or not. Please give me some response. Now, if I want to use this concept over here, I should be having f of x by f of y. To get f of x by f of y form, let me take this f of x common from here. So if I take f of x common, since this limit is limit h tends to 0, f of x I can directly take outside this limit, limit h tends to 0. This will become f of x plus h upon f of x minus 1 upon h. If I simplify further, this is f of x, limit h tends to 0. Now f of x plus h upon f of x. This can be written as f of x by y, that is f of x plus h by x minus 1 upon h. Now if I give you another approach, if you simplify this, this will become 1 plus h by x. 1 plus h by x. So that form we can write, first we can multiply here and divide here with h by x. And here we can add 1 plus and minus 1. So if you see, this is nothing, but it is becoming your f dash 1. Check please. This is becoming your f dash 1. Is this clear, students? Please check. Now since you are getting this as f dash 1, so f of x by x and into f dash 1, this is your f dash x. Right, f dash 1 is what? 2024. So f dash x is f of x by x into 2024. So if you multiply and simplify, so x times f dash x minus 2024 f of x equal to 0. Since this year is 2024, they asked this question to you guys. Hope this is clear to you. Can we move towards next question, please? Clear, everyone? Great, 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 great. Can we move towards next question? Now, see, this is very nice question from your binomial coefficients, I can say, right? There are two options, two terms given to you, alpha and beta, and there is a relationship between 4 beta and 7 alpha. If I'll show you one, another you can find easily. See over here. So first, alpha is given to you as sigma r is equal to 0 to n, ncr into ncr upon r plus 1. So if you remember all the different relationships, so NCR can be written as N by R, N minus 1 C R minus 1. Similarly here, we are having divide by R plus 1 and NCR. So if I convert this in form of N plus 1 C R plus 1, this will become N plus 1 upon R plus 1 NCR or not. Check. And here you are having this form NCR upon R plus 1 in both the cases. So very first we need to replace this NCR with R plus 1. So NCR by R plus 1, this will become N plus 1 C R plus 1 upon N plus 1. So this will become sigma R equal to 0 to N. N plus 1 C R plus 1 upon N plus 1. Correct. This is NCR. This N plus 1 you can take outside. This is 1 upon N plus 1. Sigma R equal to 0 to N. Now if you know these two concepts, here you can convert this NCR in terms of NCN minus R or not. So this will be N plus 1 C R plus 1. This will be NCN minus R. NCR can be converted to NCN minus. Shall I convert this? Please give me some response. Okay, everyone. So now its final answer will be, if you see, this R plus 1 N minus R will get cancelled out. Min plus R minus R, here you will get N plus 1. N plus 1 plus N, it will be 2N plus 1. So this will be 2N plus 1 C N plus 1 upon N plus 1. This is value of alpha. Like similar way you can get value of beta. You can replace this with the same term N plus 1 C R plus 1 upon N plus 1. That N plus 1 will be outside. If you connect this two, its summation for R equal to 0 to 1 will give you 2N plus 2 C. Now here R plus 1 N minus R. So N plus 1. 2N plus 2 C N plus 1. 2N plus 1 C N plus 1 upon N plus 1. Remaining thing you can do from homework. Denominators N plus 1 will get cancelled out. Just you need to simplify this. N plus 1 factorial you can write in denominator, that also will get cancelled out, because NCR is N factorial upon N minus R factorial. Sorry, so 2N plus 1 factorial upon 2N plus 1 minus N plus 1 factorial, from where you can simplify and get the answer. Hope you are getting my point. Easy? Yes. Okay, great. Let us move towards next question. Yes, this is question from 3D geometry, right? And this is very easy question, I can say, very easy. You can solve this question easily. Vector R is L1, vector R is L2. If L3 is perpendicular to L1, there is one line L3 which is perpendicular to L1, students, right? L3 is perpendicular to L1, L1 and L2. So L3 is perpendicular to L1, L3 is perpendicular to L2. And passing through 1, 7, minus 4. L1 is perpendicular to L2. Further, L1 is perpendicular to L2. Then find which of the point lies on L3. So if L1 is perpendicular to L2, can I say dot product of these both vectors will become 0? So 3 ones are 3, plus 1 minus 1 will give you minus 1, plus 2p will give you 0. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 2p will give you minus 2 as answer, 3 plus minus 1, 2, and p will give you minus 1. So once you are getting value of p as minus 1, then you can proceed further. Both are having same meaning, right? Then you can proceed, or then you can go whatever you feel comfortable. Now since L3 is perpendicular to both, so for L3 its direction vector, vector B, will be cross product of vector B1 and vector B2. So here you can have one mosquito in my studio. I killed him. So this will be ijk. Now positions of vector B1 will be 1, minus 1, 2. And for vector B2, that will be 3, 1p. 3, 1p. Is this clear? And that p is nothing but minus 1. So from here, you can get this vector B very easily. After, once you get this vector B, you can get this equation. You can write this equation that it is vector A plus lambda vector B. And just you can check which point is satisfying this condition. So very easy. Generally, questions from 3D geometry are formula based only. This is very repeated PYQ, you can say, very repeated, oftenly repeated question, right? This was asked 4 times earlier as well. Repeated question, students. See over here how you can solve this. So very first, student, what you can do, you can find the pattern. If we'll find f of x, this will be x upon 1 plus 2x square to the power 1 by 4. Similarly, if you find f of x, that means 3 times, then that you are going to have as x upon 1 plus 3 x to the power 4 to the power 1 by 4. What I mean to say here, student, that if you are having 2 times f of x, 2 will come. If you are having 3 times f of x, 3 will come. If you are having 4 times f of x, 4 will come over here. So here this will become x square into x times upon 1 plus 4 x to the power 4 upon 1 to the power 1 by 4 dx. Limit 0 to square root 2 root 5. Now to evaluate this in numerator, you are having x cube. So you can take this 1 plus 4 x to the power 4 as t, or you can take 1 plus x to the power 4 as t to the power 4. Why t to the power 4? Because it will help you to cancel out this 4 over here. The differentiation of this will be 16x cube dx is equal to 4t cube dt. Similarly, you can convert this x in terms of t and you can get the answer. Easy, everyone? Please give me some response. So if you have done P by Q, then this is very easy for you guys. Now, number of relations which are symmetric but not reflexive. So understand this carefully. If A is 1, 2, 3, 4, all relations can be found as subset of A cross A. So from here, if I get A cross A, so it is going to have elements 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, because total we are going to have 4 4s are 64 elements. Check please. And here you will be having 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, like that, and so on. Right? I'm not going to write all of them, but just I'm showing you the pattern. So if you want to make this type of relations as symmetric, so for symmetric you need to take, if 1, 2 is there, you need to take 2, 1. If 3, 1 is there, you need to take 1, 3. Please give me some response. Total elements, number of elements in A cross A are 4 into 4, 16. So from 4 into 4, 16, if you subtract this 4, understand this carefully. If you subtract this 4, so 16 minus 4 will become 12. So if you want to make them symmetric, you need to take all these pairs. So this 12 elements can become 6 pairs. So for all these 6 pairs, any pair can come, any pair can go. Like whether it can come or it can't come. So for that, you are having 2 options for each pair. So total number of such symmetric relations will be 2 to the power 6. Even in symmetric relation, you can take this as well, but for that, one condition is given to you that it is not reflexive. Now, what is the definition of reflexive? That all these elements should come. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. Right? But if I don't want to make it reflexive, if I am not choosing any one of them, then also it will become reflexive. If I am choosing any one, then also then it won't become reflexive. Getting my point? It will become reflexive if I'm choosing all of them. So for this 4 elements, total number of cases are 2 to the power 4, from which I'm subtracting one case, 2 to the power 4 minus 1. In which, what is that case? In which I'm not choosing any one. Or you can write this as differently, like 4C0 plus 4C1 plus 4C2 plus 4C3. These both are same only, this and this. Right? That is from 4 elements. If you are choosing none, that will become that won't be reflexive. If you are choosing any one, that won't be reflexive. If you are choosing any 2, that won't be reflexive. If you are choosing 3, that won't be reflexive. If you are choosing all 4, then and then only it will become reflexive. So here just you can multiply and you can get your answer. Right? Okay, so this is all from my side. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for this wonderful session. I hope now 30th January shift to mathematics is clear to all of you. If any one of you have attempted this session, you can analyze how much marks you are getting from here. And if you are having paper on any other day, that is now only one day is left, tomorrow, 1st Feb. So for 1st Feb, best of luck from our side, a whole PW team. So this is going to help you for your further exam. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye everyone. Bye everyone. See you in next maths analysis. Bye everyone.